Happy Thursday, everybody. This is Skip Jeffries coming from the garage here on a Thursday night. Figured I'd do a video here. Had this project in the works for a couple weeks now. I think I ordered the stuff for this project probably right around the first of the year, so it's well overdue. But have you ever, well, if you got a vehicle that's probably 5, maybe even 7 or 8 years old, you run across the issue of your headlights just kind of looking out cloudy, dingy, not so nice looking. And the other effect of it is the brightness that you get when you're driving when it's dark outside. It was starting to really affect me. I changed out I think the last video I did was changing out the lights on this thing, and it made quite a bit of difference. I didn't do the upgrade to the LEDs. I just went with whatever halogen lights that the owner's manual recommended. But there was a big difference. I mean, your light bulbs age over time, but I think the major issue now is the screens on this thing. So I went on Amazon here. Let me see if we can switch this camera around. The company here is called, I think it's either Cerakote or Cerakote ceramic coatings, but they come up with this headlight kit. And the thing that kind of sold me on this thing, it kind of makes the statement of no tools required, easy application, and clarity. And the big thing is restores clarity and improves headlight lens performance. And that's definitely what I need on the old Subaru Baja here. And then they've got a statement here. Where did I find that? The best guarantee. Guaranteed to restore your headlights to a like new condition and it lasts as long as you own your vehicle, or we will simply refund your purchase. So I mean, kit costs, I think it was 20 some bucks. There was a coupon on it, utilized it, came out to about $18 and some change. Figured that was worth giving it a shot to see if it can restore the lens covers on this old Subaru here. It's an 06, so I mean, it's all original lights here. So you're talking 20-year-old headlights on this thing. I think probably 6 years ago, I went and priced new headlights on them, and there was options to buy brand new ones, and I think at the time they were right around 189 bucks a pop. You had to buy the left and the right, so I wasn't quite ready to spend that. Still not quite ready to spend it. I mean, the car's been paid off for 12, 13 years, so it's a daily driver. I mean, I don't need showroom new condition on this thing. I just want functionality and performance wise, and that's what kind of we've been going for on this thing. The car itself, the frame's got over 211,000 miles on it, and we replaced the engine in it back at 178,000 miles, so we got probably roughly, I'm not that well with math in my head, we're talking maybe equates out to what, less than 40,000 miles on the engine. Transmission on that thing is original, so I mean, and tires, I mean, that's been replaced numerous times. The windshield, I think, are replaced more than I can count now, but everything else, I mean, the front end, the front suspension's been replaced. I've even touched the back suspension, the torque struts. I had to replace one of those within the last year, and the radiator. So we've got some money stuck into this thing. I mean, like I said, I drive this thing not for really, well, I do like the look of the Baja, but it's more or less for the performance and functionality of the vehicle. It gets me from point A to point B, which is home and work, and it's pretty trustworthy to take on a road trip. I've taken it up to Kansas City. I mean, I've driven it back home to Wisconsin, so I mean, I didn't have 200,000 miles on it, but it still made the trip. I wouldn't doubt it probably still make the trip itself today. I mean, it's running pretty good. Like I said, we'll probably do the portion of it tomorrow. I've got a hand treatment tomorrow, so they give me the shot in the hand. I normally feel like $1 million bucks, so I'll probably have the energy and the dexterity to deal with this kit. The kit itself, pretty self-explanatory. We can actually pull it out here. But they do give you a kind of an instruction sheet, which is, I would say, somewhat all right, but they do have the scan the barcode, or yeah, I guess it'd be a barcode there. If you scan that, they also give you an instructional video that goes through the step, and then there's some humor with it too, so it's pretty good video. But I mean, it's a 3-step process. From what I got from the kit here, your step 1, you've got, looks like 8 sets of wipes that you can use to clean the lens initially, and then you've got your step 2, and they provide a little hand sander in there, and looks like 2 sets of different discs at different grit ratings. I think the top one, I would call it magenta, is about 200 or 2000 grit. And like I said, I would definitely scan the barcode, watch the video, because it kind of gives you clarity where they're kind of gray in the instructions. So, and then your step 3 here, you just got a single wipe for each lens, so I mean, you got to make it count. And the video goes very in-depth on the step 3, because you really don't want to screw up that process, because that's your actual ceramic clear coating on it. So watch the video, I highly recommend it. Like I said, I'll do a quick probably a demo on the actual doing the process. To me, I think it's gonna be quick and easy. I'm estimating maybe a half hour, 45 minutes, but I've never been really good about my estimations when it comes to projects. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, and especially when you're recording videos doing it, it sometimes takes double. Just because you gotta stop, pause, do whatever you gotta do. Sometimes people interrupt you, you get phone calls, whatnot all, and then you got the editing portion. Most people don't take that in effect when you're watching videos. I didn't take that in effect till I started doing videos on YouTube, how much editing process kind of bites with it. But anyways, guys, more to come probably tomorrow. But anyways, thanks for watching.